We should do a video where I ask you questions. I have so many questions to ask you.
Yeah?
We should do a video on that.
Okay.
Maria's questions. I have so many.
Sure.
So the other question I have, the last one.
These are great.
I think. The last one, you're not going to like it. We have to come to this subject again. Remember those coins I told you I was going to buy and you said, Maria, those shit coins. Let's talk about those.
Sure.
Okay. So I get a little bit confused. Okay. So here I am trying to be a millionaire in 2 days.
Yeah.
Right? It is what it is. We are all the same, I think. And I bought Bezos, remember, in July.
Okay.
I bought Bezos. It was, I think, 9 zeros. I love those tokens. 9 zeros. So I had 9 zeros and I invested, I told you, 1,500 and something. And then it went way up, like super up. Of course, I didn't sell because I was expecting it to go even higher. Right. Then I spoke with a client of mine and he said, Maria, really, if you wanted to sell, because I told them, if I wanted to sell that, it's in my MetaMask. How am I have to convert it, but it's so many tokens. Because imagine, 9 zeros, $1,500 or $1,600. It's a lot of tokens. And he said, yes, you might kill the project when it's such a small... And now I'm all confused. So I have those tokens. Even if that goes super high, I cannot sell it. How am I going to do this?
Okay, so this is a perfect example of what I was talking about with liquidity. You are, in that situation, the institutional investor. You see this potential for this project and you have the money to buy so much of it and you could profit so much from it. But if you buy it, you're going to spike the price. And since you're the only one buying it, there's not enough sell pressure or buyers on the market to buy your order to take your profits. You understand? If you're one person at the market and you're like, I want to buy all the tomatoes because you want to sell them to other people. And then you turn around and there's no one else. There's like one other guy who wants to buy like one tomato. Then like you're stuck with all these and you have to wait until until that project gains more traction and gets more attention from people. And then more people want to buy it. And that organically drives the price up because there's more people wanting to buy. And then that gives you an opportunity to sell some off. Maybe not. Again, I agree with your friend. If you try to sell it off right then, you would crash the price. Yeah.
And I might not even get that price.
Exactly. Because let's say you're on an exchange with a coin and you can look at the order book and you can see basically how many other people are trying to buy and sell that coin. Let's say you have 10,000 of those tokens, and there's 100 of those tokens on the exchange, but you have 10,000. So you're trying to buy and sell against 100. So it's you can't do your whole amount. And then not only that, each time you put a sell order on to sell it, you're driving the price down. So each time you're losing money. So you have to be very patient.
So what do I do with that?
That is the risk of these really new coins and why you don't necessarily have to put so much money into them because number one, if you don't put so much money into them, like an amount that you would be comfortable with, again, saying goodbye to. There's no pressure for you to be like watching it and then you want to sell it and then it's only up for like one day and then you feel like you missed your... But
during the night, right?
Exactly.
You wake up and like, I was so rich yesterday. What happened? Right?
Yeah, exactly. And then also you can have patience to see what happens because sometimes these do pay off in years to come. But who's to say what's going to happen? There's no one has a crystal ball.
But because it's a cheat coin, it might even disappear.
Yeah.
And I never took my profits because it's so difficult.
Not even that you couldn't have if you wanted to, probably.
That's true.
So it's all the thing. There's no shortcuts to getting rich quick with crypto. As much as crypto seems like a get rich quick opportunity, there's definitely
challenges.
So many ways to make profits here.
And there's challenges like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, you transform 1,500 in so much money, but now where do I check out? I want my money, right?
Yeah. In fact, I'm interested. Well, How when you bought them, was it like on an exchange?
No,
Or was
Uniswap.
like a special offer?
I think it was
okay.
Uniswap.
I wonder if you could even look at the day that you remembered buying it to see if you spiked the price. You might have.
That's why I was so happy. Oh,
Maybe
I'm buying a token that went up.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Lesson learned.
Yeah.
Okay.